Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of Honda's most anticipated compact SUVs, the 2025 Honda Elevate. With its stylish design, bold stance, and a feature-loaded package, this car is grabbing serious attention in the compact SUV segment. Stick around as we break down everything from exterior design, engine performance, interior features, tech, safety, and of course pricing. Let's start with what catches your eye first, the exterior. The 2025 Elevate sports a modern and aggressive look, with a bold front grille flanked by sleek LED headlamps. The sculpted bonnet and sharp body lines give it a strong road presence, and it rides high with 220 mm of ground clearance, perfect for both city potholes and mild off-roading. Honda offers 16-inch dual-tone alloy wheels, roof rails, and a floating roof design that adds to its sporty appeal. Under the hood, the Elevate is powered by Honda's tried and tested 1.5-liter i-Tech petrol engine. It delivers 119 horsepower and 145 Nm of torque. You get the option of a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed CVT automatic transmission. While there's no hybrid or diesel variant yet, the petrol engine offers refined performance with decent fuel economy, around 15.3 km/L for the manual and 16.9 km/L for the CVT, depending on driving conditions. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that's both practical and premium. The dashboard features a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's a 7-inch digital TFT instrument cluster for the driver, and Honda has finally introduced a single-pane sunroof, which adds a sense of airiness to the cabin. The seats are well cushioned with good under-thigh support, especially in the rear. You also get rear AC vents, USB charging port, and over 458 liters of boot space, ample for weekend getaways. In terms of connectivity and features, the Elevate ticks most of the boxes. There's Honda Connect, a connected car suite with over 30 features including remote engine start, geofencing, real-time vehicle tracking, and more. It supports auto updates and voice commands via Alexa and Google Assistant. The sound system is a 6-speaker setup which delivers crisp audio for everyday use. Safety is a big selling point here. The Elevate comes with Honda Sensing, a suite of advanced driver assistance systems. That includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, collision mitigation braking, road departure mitigation, and auto high beam. It also includes standard safety features like 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, vehicle stability assist, hill start assist, a reverse parking camera with dynamic guidelines, and ISOFIX mounts for child seats. Now let's talk about the ride and handling. The suspension is tuned for comfort, and it soaks up bumps quite well. While not a corner carver, the Elevate feels stable at high speeds and nimble in the city. The electric power steering is light, making it a breeze to drive through traffic. Now, here's the big question: how much does it cost? As of May 2025, the ex-showroom prices for the Honda Elevate start at around a superscript 111 lakh for the base SV manual variant and go up to a superscript 116 lakh for the top-end ZX CVT with Honda Sensing. When you include RTO, insurance, and accessories, the on-road price can range between a superscript 112.5 lakh and a superscript 118.2 lakh depending on your city and variant. To sum it up, the 2025 Honda Elevate is a well-rounded package. It might not have a diesel engine or a panoramic sunroof, but what it offers is reliability, safety, comfort, and the Honda brand's peace of mind. For urban families and daily commuters looking for a stylish yet sensible SUV, the Elevate stands tall literally and figuratively. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this. Drop your questions and thoughts about the Elevate in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Outro: A visuals of the Elevate driving off, Honda logo fade in, and subscribe animation.